statement of faith. It's a confirmation that, for whatever we do, our God is a God of the mountains. He's also a God of the valleys. So whenever things are okay or they are bad, God remains God. And He is the author. His time is the best. We do our best as vessels, as human beings, but ultimately there is the ultimate one. So the secret for me is really to seek His face and to be guided by our Father, because there's a Father in heaven, and He is the author of our existence, our being, our substance, and of course our essence, our purposes. So many people have not understood. They think, oh, this guy is just giving us verses. But when God wires people, when God loads people and downloads people onto the earth and in this world, we are all sent with different instruments and weapons. Some are sent with guns, some are sent with knob carriers and stones, but I was sent with the word. And the verses are very important. That's my calling in leadership, to make sure that I teach others the way, the true way. I teach nations the true way, but I also teach even the church that if we're anchored in Him, our victory is always certain, because He is the one who created the earth in the beginning. So He knows. He sent us here as His own messengers. So we must fulfill what He sent us for. So I'm so excited. And